In today's video, we are going to show you how to find the CVV on a Desjardins card. Whether you are shopping online or verifying a payment, we've got you covered. Let's begin. Now, a CVV or a card verification value is a 3-digit. Okay, the CVV or card verification value is a 3-digit security code used for online and phone transactions. Now it helps protect your card from unauthorized use. Now, thing is, how can you find it on the CVV if you have a Desjardins card? Now all you have to do is super simple. Okay? You want to make sure that you know what kind of credit card you are using, because Desjardins offer different credit cards, like for example a Flexi Visa, Cashback Visa, Cashback MasterCard, Bonus Visa, and all these has different way for you to find the CVV. Okay? Now, if you know what type of credit card they have, all I have to do is super simple. At the back of your Desjardins card, there should be a CVV code, which is going to be a 3-digit right here. Okay? The CVV is not your PIN, okay? It's also a different number from your card number. Now, for example, you have 324, that's going to be the Desjardins CVV of your card. It's super simple, okay? Once you found that, you can simply use it when you shop online or in store. Okay, now, if you can't find the CVV or if the number is word off or hidden, all you have to do at this point is to contact the help center or the contact us option. Okay? You may need to request a replacement card for security reasons. Remember to not share your CVV with anyone and avoid saving it in public or shared devices, and only enter it in secure websites. And basically that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.